Om Sai Ram to all my Baba lovers out there. How's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and hope you all are pampering Baba the way Baba pampers us all. So today I'm just not in that mindset of saying some stories or something. So I said why not? Let's just go to the reading and see, even the cards talk what is in my mind, I guess. Crush negativity. So maybe, yes, I have been also having my own thoughts for a few things going on, and now Baba is just telling me that, Baba is there, it will all be positive. So just keep that in your mind and don't allow negative things. The same way, we all know this. People say it is half empty and half filled. Again, it is on the perspective that we see the few things in life, because sometimes when we take everything as stress, then it is stress. But if we take everything as a lesson, that this has come for us to give us a good lesson or to bring in a beautiful experience, and maybe yes, that is an experience. So somewhere Baba has answered my query. So I hope Baba has answered yours also, because this is the reason why I love pulling out his cards. He just took out the right answer for me. Let's see what is the next one. Karmic debt. This I purely believe that whatever happens, we are repaying the debts which we have done in the past. But I also believe in not accumulating new ones, not harming anyone knowingly or unknowingly, not doing anything which will bring in a new karmic debt for me. For example, when people come and ask me, can you do a ritual, which if I feel is not ethical, then I don't do it, because that's a new karmic debt which we bring in. When people come and ask me, why don't you do a free healing or a free tarot card reading, then I tell them, no, it is a new karmic debt which I'm bringing in, because if I'm giving you something for free, then in one life you will have to come back and repay that. So that is one reason also which I say. So Baba is telling you all to come out of karmic debts, do everything good and not break your head over unnecessary things. I also feel today in the morning, just when you're having your bath, to soak the water with little rock salt and dried rose petals, and then have a bath with that water. And also, as usual, being Baba's day, feed a stray dog. Baba will be very very happy. And in the evening, if possible, offer something to Baba. Most of you all know what he likes. Most of you even know that even if it is a Thursday, I love making biryani for Baba, because I feel everyone pampers him in different ways. So I pamper him in the way he used to pamper his disciples who used to come, and also the way he used to feed the stray dogs. So I make for him. So make something good for him and offer it to him, and then you can have it and also offer that to stray animals, so that Baba is happy in turn. Have a beautiful and a Baba blessed day today.